Love blue skies dim mode but not a fan of dark mode? No worries, I'm going to show you how to turn off dark mode in blue sky and switch to a brighter experience. Hello everyone, welcome to Tech My Life. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to turn off dark mode in BlueSky Social App. So without any further ado, let's get started. Start by opening the BlueSky app on your device and make sure you're logged in. Here, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top left corner of your screen. Then tap on the settings option. Scroll through the settings menu and look for an option that says appearance. This is where you can adjust how blue sky looks. Tap on the appearance option. In the appearance section, you'll see options for dim mode and dark mode. To turn off dark mode, simply select dim mode. Once you select dim mode, your BlueSky app will instantly switch to the lighter theme. And that's it, you've successfully turned off dark mode in BlueSky and switched back to dim mode. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to Tech My Life for more videos like this. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you're the first to know when a new video drops.